Here's a very recognizable car at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Lincoln Continental 4-door convertible. 462 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, C6 automatic to be exact. Of course, power steering, power brakes, being a Lincoln, very, very well equipped. Let's take a look at the front bright work as far as the chrome on the bumper, the grille, of course the Lincoln hood ornament. Paint coat on this car is C, so dark gray metallic. Trim or interior is 2D, which would be red. So this car looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1967 when it rolled off the Lincoln dealer's showroom floor. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's a few imperfections, kind of maybe like a little stain or discoloration in the paint, but overall this car shows well. You can see it has a nice shine to it. Great car for taking for a drive, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Very popular cars with that rear suicide door, and then of course the 4-door convertible. So plenty of room for family members, friends to go along with you. So we take a look up and down the passenger side, riding on the steel wheels, Lincoln wheel covers, white wall radials. How about as far as interior? Bench seat up front, of course leather interior, and again very nicely equipped. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look over there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, I should say. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. If you look in the still picture, you're going to be able to see pictures with that trunk up. I will also show you the top going up and down in this video, so stick around. At the very end of the video, we're going to take the car for a drive like we usually do, show you how it goes down the road. But first, if you're into these mid to late 60s Lincolns, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And again, that website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. A few power equipment things I want to mention. Power antenna, that is working. I'm going to show you that. Power wing windows, both sides. How cool is that? Those are working. I'll show you that at the very end after we do the top. I also want to show you this keyhole back here. You can actually lower and raise the top with a key in that keyhole. I'll show you the top going down that way, and we'll put the top up from sitting in the car. Start it up, let you hear it run and everything. Check out the engine bay. So tell you what, let's check this interior over a little bit closer, and then we're going to check out that engine bay. So power windows, as you can see over here, and then also, like I said, the power wing windows. Seat belts intact. I haven't really noticed any major rips, tears, or holes in the leather seating surface. I have had the AM, FM radio working. Like I said, that power antenna, I'm going to show you that right now. So let's go ahead, get this fired up. Again, 462 V8 underneath the hood. So power antenna button is by the radio there. So let's go ahead and push antenna up, and there it goes. Odometer reads 61,648. I cannot confirm or deny that as being original, believed to be original. Once the car is a certain age though, it does not stay in the title. Title is marked exempt. So again, I can't confirm or deny that. I can tell you what the odometer reads. I can confirm the radio works. That's FM. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back seat. Hear this run a second. I guess what you'd expect. Pretty quiet, considering 67 with a 462 in it. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get the hood open. And let's check out the engine bay, and then like I said, I'll show you this top going up and down on those wing windows. All right, so there's a shot at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So pretty stock looking engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technicians did note the AC was in-op, so that will need a little TLC. Original Arizona car, or I should say Arizona is where it came to us from. Let me put it that way. Previously titled in Arizona. They explain why it's so clean. There's a battery disconnect in between drives while it's in storage. Pretty smooth running V8, obviously. Looks good underneath there, sounds good. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive down the road for you. But first, let's check out this top going up and down. First off, using the inside switch. When we put it back down, we'll use that keyhole, and we'll also check out those wing windows. So stick around. And the top up to check out. So first of all, let's take a peek above the windshield. Nice tight fit. Rolled the side glass up also so you can get an idea how that fits in there. Doesn't look too bad. So white vinyl as far as the fabric. Not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes. Glass rear window. Around to the passenger side here. Side windows also rolled up. Looks like a good fit there. No rips, tears, or holes on this side. And again, good fit above the windshield. So convertible top, also a nice shape. I will go ahead and pause this a second. I'll get the camera set up on a tripod. I'll show you the convertible top going back down using that keyhole back by the gas door. So let me get it ready and show you how that works. And there you go. See the top going back down. I also use the power window switches. I wanted to show you real quick the power wing windows. Those are working. I opened the one on the other side also, and I rolled the windows back down. And then as you could see, when I was doing the top going back down, this filler panel, when the trunk lid is up straight like this, takes just a little bit of help to make that filler panel finish going all the way up. But that is all that it really takes. Cool car, 1967 Lincoln Continental, 4-door convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Lincoln Continental. This car in very good condition. Interior looking great. Comfortable bench seat in this car. An automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive. Very luxurious Lincoln. They're always comfortable. Great looking speedometer. I don't know if you can see that. A spool that spins and just smoothly cruises over to the right as you're accelerating. The design features are really cool. The radio here to the left, the temperature control, looks just like another radio. Very interesting design. Symmetrical across the board. This is a smooth running car. Excellent ride on the highway. This is a convertible, as you can see, with the top down. That would make this a 4-door convertible. You don't see a lot of those. This one is a prime example of what they should be like. Factory horn working well. Most of the controls on the power seat, all of the controls on the power seat are working as they should. Multi-position bench seat for your riding comfort. Power brakes working very well. Corners just like you'd expect a 67 Lincoln Continental to corner. Very luxurious. On this bright, sunny summer day, an excellent car to go for a road trip, cruise with the family, just have some fun in really nice condition. Our fuel gauge working, showing 1/4 of a tank. That is really the only gauge that we have besides the speedometer. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Lincoln Continental at uniqueclassiccars.com.